In a tranquil village, there lived a woodworker named Eli, known for his exquisite carvings that seemed to breathe with life. One day, he discovered a piece of old wood, gnarled and twisted, and many dismissed it as useless. Instead of giving up, Eli saw potential. He envisioned a majestic bird, ready to take flight. As he carved, he faced challenges and doubts, but each stroke brought clarity to his purpose. What emerged was not just a sculpture, but a symbol of perseverance. Eli learned that, like life, true beauty often emerges from flaws. With patience and care, anyone can shape their destiny, transforming obstacles into art.